how does a simple battery spin something at thousands of RPM? Let's look inside a standard DC motor. Check out this 3D breakdown. We stripped away the metal casing so you can see the stationary outer magnets and the spinning copper coil at the center. But the real magic happens right here at the commutator. Those tiny spring-loaded brushes stay fixed in place, constantly feeding electricity onto the spinning commutator. But here's the genius part. Every half rotation, the split segments swap contact with the brushes, instantly reversing the current direction inside the coil. That flips the coil's magnetic field at exactly the right moment, so it's always being pushed by the outer magnets, never pulled back. That's what keeps the shaft spinning continuously at high speed. Modeling these copper windings accurately is a serious CAD challenge. What 3D software are you designing in today? Tell me in the comments.